Yeah, what up, everyone? It's Knox the Barber. Just over here with an unboxing of a new blow dryer. I dropped mine. It cracked the housing. I couldn't fix it. I tried to crazy glue it because I liked the blow dryer, but had to let it go. So I picked this one up. It's the Hot Tools silver lining. It's got some designs on it. Here's all the features. It's on the outside of the box. Let's turn it over, go to the back. Just shows all the features. Extra quiet 1875 watts. What else we got? 8-foot cord, 1-year warranty. Comes with the pick and the concentrator attachments, which I use a lot. There it is. There it is. There's the outside. Same kind of deal. So let's open this thing up. Sorry, I'm doing this all with one hand here. Let's slide it out. Alright, so in the box, fuel bag, dryer, got the concentrator, pick concentrator in here, cable. Let's take it out, give me 1 sec. Instructions. Concentrator pick. Alright, someone was at the window. Okay, well that's it, guys. It's 6 speeds, 6 speed settings. Little cold shot right there. I got some reviews that I've recorded, so I'll upload those pretty soon, and I'll probably get one of this as well. So thanks for tuning in. Again, it's Knox the Barber. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.